Animal and Environment Association established in Bethlehem in 2013 for the purpose of solving the problem of stray dogs in Bethlehem in particular, and also in the whole Palestine. The problem of increasing numbers of stray dogs is now a problem for the whole citizens here and also for the local institutions, because despite of all the ways that they used to control this problem, but it was in vain. So we established this institution in order to find a better solution, more effective solution for the people, for the environment, and also for the animals.
Actually, as Palestinian people, we have always tried to care for the dogs and for animals in general. This problem has twofold. The first of all, the occupation and the weakness of our Palestinian institutions to deal with this problem. And the great number of dogs on the streets, especially wild dogs, they are threatening the people. They are constituting a danger situation not only for Palestinians but also for tourists who are coming to Palestine, especially in Bethlehem area, because this as a pilot project is founded in Bethlehem area. The second problem is the health problem, because many of the dogs on the streets have some health problems. They can constitute danger to the population, and also to protect them is another problem. No institutions here in Palestine are caring for wild dogs, for example, and they don't have the know-how how to deal with this problem. This is a pilot project, and this is a pilot institution, maybe the first in Palestine to deal with such a problem.
La Asociación del Animal y el Medio Ambiente se ha creado porque en Cisjordania y en Palestina tenemos un grave problema, la cual es de los animales callejeros. Todo empezó porque su número ha crecido bastante con los últimos años, y aquí creo que falta a nivel cultural. Hay un concepto erróneo respecto a los animales callejeros, y más que nada a los perros callejeros, que son un enfoque de enfermedades, que son salvajes. Por lo tanto hay un maltrato hacia ellos por todas partes, ya sea por la gente o por los ayuntamientos, ya que intentan reducir su número o evitar que estos perros estén por las calles con la gente. Por lo tanto les envenenan, les matan con pistolas, y por eso, a base de todo esto, se ha creado la Asociación Animal y Medio Ambiente para poder principalmente ayudar a estos animales a tener un refugio donde prestarles atención veterinaria, prestarles cuidados de todo tipo, a la vez rehabilitarles para poder ser adoptados después de cierto tiempo en el refugio.
أنا آية ياسين، درست بالجامعة كتير شغلات، من بينها كمان علوم صحة البيئة. إحنا إجينا بس نتعرف على الجمعية، لأنه أنا كنت بدي أتطوع معهن وأحاول أساعدهن. طبعاً الفكرة مش إنه الكلاب يضلهن بالشلتر. الكلب محله الطبيعي هو بالبيت، مش حيوان بري يعني. الأولاد كتير بحبوا ستيلا الكلبة تبعتنا، كتير تتجاوب معهن. الكلب على عكس البسة بيعرف يعطي حب وحنان واهتمام، هن كتير مبسوطين. أهم إشي لازم ينحكى، بتخيل إنه الطريقة اللي المجتمع الفلسطيني بيتعامل فيها مع الكلاب الضالة كتير غلط. البلديات بتحاول تسمم أو تقتلهن، وهذا مش حل فعال للمستقبل يعني، لأنه مش رح يحد من كميتهن، لأنه الكلاب ممكن تخلف حتى أكثر من 10 جراو بكل مرة.
أنا أخذت فرصة من هون من الملجأ بعد ما كانوا ملاقينا واقع بحفرة، وكان صار له يومين أو 3 أيام عايش بهاي الحفرة بدون أكل وبدون مي، وكان عنده صدمة ومتصاوب بتمه، كان في نزيف، وكان كتير يخاف من الناس. أول يوم أخذته حتى كان خايف مني أنا وما يرضاش يتحرك، كان ضل قاعد في الزاوية على مخدة وبدوش يقوم. أحاول أخده برا ما يتحركش بالمرة. بس بعد تاني يوم بلش شوي يتحرك وقعد يلعب بالبستان عندنا، ولثالث يوم صار كتير أحسن. صار لما يشوفني يجي يقرب علي، وبعدين صار حتى هلا بس يشوفني يجي ينط علي، وكتير مبسوط في الناس. ولما يجي عندنا ناس حتى كمان بحبهم، بحب يلعب مع الأطفال، وهلا هو كتير منيح.
We thought that by saving the dogs, collecting them from the streets and putting them in a shelter, a temporary shelter, not lasting shelter, in order first of all to minimize the number of stray dogs in the street, and from the shelter we will start by giving them vaccination, care, attention, medication, and also nurturing them and spaying and putting for them microchips, and then preparing them for people to adopt. And this is the issue that we started on, which is more effective, and people here in Bethlehem, they find it very good idea, because this will be saving their kids from being attacked by the dogs in the streets, because most of the dogs in the streets, they are without vaccination, without care, attention. They also carry a lot of diseases, which is contagious also to people, to environment, and also to other animals that living in the area, and also for the plants. So by this idea, we started on building the shelter. We collected some donations from the people, from the local people here, in order to help us in establish this small shelter that we have now about 50 dogs. But in the future, we are working on enlarging this shelter, having more financial capability in order to absorb more numbers of the stray dogs in the streets, doing all these procedures inside the shelter, and also to minimize numbers outside of the shelter of the stray dogs. And then by this work, we will be able a little bit to solve the problem for both sides, people and animals, and also to save them from being killed and also poisoned. But we lack a lot of things. We lack bigger land, we lack money, we lack medical equipments, we lack medicine. These things need fund. We need people to help us. We need people to think that this is very effective idea for the other people to work on it with us, to help us in order to achieve this dream. We need money. Do you mean some money? We need a lot of money, because this is not so easy, because this is the first animal shelter and it needs a lot of money. And money, we will start by having a bigger land, by having many other numbers of dogs. So we'll start by vaccinating them, taking care of them, giving them food, and food which is running cost, food and other things that we have to pay. So we need a lot of money to help us in this project.